Hello everyone, I am Pupul Haikruzam. I teach English for classes 9 and 10. Hello everyone, welcome to the English class. Today in our class, we will learn how to write a letter. A letter is a written message or communication that takes place between two parties. Letter, chithi haibase ko akhoi miyoi ani marakta natra aiga atopa aina chithi se irakanda aina atopa ama kana amada aigi message ama aina hainingba wahai khara do adubu convey toba adubu phongdokpani letter haibase chithi haibase ko ana letter writing ni khona ngasigi class da tamtoise. Letters se akoina two major types ta khaidoi ko magi style ani lei habatare ahanba makhangi letters na kai kawi formal letter haina koba ko aduga ani suba makhangi sina informal letter kawi ngasigi class da akoi formal letter setam se formal letter se so amuk magi manung sida ko makhan mayam ma laigre formal letter se da letter makhan mayam ma yauri mayam sigi manung da adi khara maru oiba hairagadi ko khara akoina punjan ba ya ba hairagandadi official or business letter haibasi malare ko official akoina ga school da leave application iriba si official ni ko adigidi keno to ba matam da higher authority amada ko akoina kana gumba amada complaint to ba wakat pa matam da iriba letter da adu dusu formal letter ni atopa makhangi formal letter amana letter to the editor hai newspaper natroga journal gi editor mangonda akoina issue ma agi pen da ba ma nungai da ba ma phongdok pa harau bu phongdok poi be shi ai ko adumaina mangonda editor du da akoina e baduna letter to the editor hai ko another forms in a job application hai thabak join to ba matam da natraga na akoina thabak ama apply to ba matam da vacancy ama laire ko apply the interesting candidates can apply kind advertisement da harapa matam da akoina apply to bagi ai thabak se oi tawjage aingon da thabak se pibiro haije bado adugi makhangi letter du so formal letter ni akoina adubu job application haina kawi ko formal letter sigi magi format amalai magi oigedaba masak amalai ko formal letter sigi format si ai haige mayamda format sada koina ihan han igedoribasi sender's address ne chithi sibu ira iba chithi se tharak liba mahak to adudugi laifam se koina igani sender's address iraba matung makha kitang chatharaga akoina date igani chithi iriba numit to adugi date se hapani date sigi mathang makha oirakpadana akoina amuk receiver's address chithi si phangadoriba chithi sibu lawgadoriba chithi da yauriba warol singbu pagadoriba receiver phangadoriba mahak to adugi address ina akoina amuk sigi mapham sida irani receiver address sigi makha da akoina subject kari maram gi iribano habado ko hiram do adu mu akoina irani formal letter dadi subject se yamna important oi karigino harakanda di ngasai ge letter se sungpa padringe da receiver mana aina iriba letter se why this letter has reached him why this letter has been written habado adu khangna bigi damakta subject se clear oiba ma mathau tai indicate tawdaba yate subject se ki mathang da pirami basena salutation haibaseni salutation habidi kemtana te khoi gi greetings habado dear sir respected sir dear madam respected madam haina akoina sumaina ibado adubu akoina salutation kawi masina subject sigi makhada irani salutation iraba matungda akoina irakadoribasi that is the letter now body of the letter hai akoina chithi sida iningiba phongdokningiba kuding makse body of the letter hairiba mapham asida akoina iragani chithi se iba loirakanda iroi loiba makha sida akoina signature amuk hapkani hapkadoriba signature se writer aigini chithi iriba ai sender aigi ming se sigi signature hairiba mapham sida igani akoina sina format ni formal letter gi asai akoina pankiba official letter business letter letter to the editor job application hairiba formal letter makhan mayam sida format ase chatnagani piriba mawong se style sida akoina letter khodimak se igani ko letter iba matamda what we have to keep in mind is the language akoina seasonary ba wahai wata se yam casual oibe yadre letter masa se formal haibani na ko akoina seasonary ba language that it has to be formal because we are writing to someone who is higher to us, official amada, authority amada ibanina, akoina mabu, keeping that person in mind, keeping the receiver in mind, we have to mind the language. Language to phazaba mawong de igani. Kwa. Atopa amana, paragraph wise te igani. Kwa. Letters irakpa matamda, aigi pongdok ningi ni, aigi hai ningi ni haina, aina iriba kuding makse, mapak oina one single paragraph tam, mapak oina chabak oina iragandi, it will not be interesting. Yengba matamda su phazararoi, aduga receiver dunasu paba matamda, it will not be clear to him. It will be difficult for the receiver to read your letter. Aigi chithi se paba se receivers na gyan tararoi ba. Aduna we have to write our letters in paragraph wise. Paragraph 9 iragadi aina haininge ba pongdok ning ba message natraga aina what I'm trying to communicate to him haibase. It will all be very clear if we use paragraphs in our letter. So, in a brief introduction ni how to write a formal letter. To understand more, let us take an example. First example say official letter ki example ni. The question is, you are Tomthin of Tera Bazaar. You are interested in doing a short-term course in the basics of computer. Write a letter to the director, ICM Lamphilpat, inquiring about the duration of such a course and the terms and conditions for admission. Sisina question ko. Question sida maming mapire Tera Bazaar dagi Tomthin haibasina idoini letter se Kanada no igadori base director ICM Lamphilpat idoiba. Kari maram gi idoino mana short-term course in the basics of computer sida mase course ama yongning begini idoi se ko adu de khoi format ki matung ina ihan hanbada kari idoino sender's address se Tomthin gi address oidoini adu di kari hanya irani Tera Bazaar Manipur masi iraba matung da date amuk irasi 29 May 2020 sigi makada receiver's address hai ko Koi Tomthin ne iriba chithi se Canada no director ICM Lamphilpat adudi magi address se receiver's address ki mapada irasi the director ICM Lamphilpat sigi mathang sidi subject maramdo aina letter iriba sigi maramdo niko idori se subject akoina kari haina irani manang hasai khangning bado short term course in basics of computer haibani dana ko aduna subject sida information about a short-term course. Sina koi gi subject oire mana chithi irakpa gi maram do oire. Subject ki makha da koi kari ini hai greetings natraga salutation haibado ko adu da koi na sir, dear sir, respected sir sumaini ibadu irani akoi sir se ire sida sir se ge muk makha next line da body of the letter haibado ko chithi se koi huzi iba haurasi chithi gi warol duniko. I have come to know that your institute provides class for different computer courses. Hai ko ma computer course ICM the computer course me am tawe habase khange aduna na ma pame class yawba pame harakadoi ko. I have appeared in the ISSLC exam this year and I am keenly interested in doing a short-term course in basics of computer. The mana mai apambudo pongdo ekosida mai apambase kaino short-term course ama yaubase neba mai apambase pongdo paragraph 9 iyo hai gibedo ko mathangsi anoba paragraph ama hausi. Please inform me about the duration of the course, fees and other charges as well as terms and conditions for getting admission. Koi Ming change haragadi paratam basi yauge haragadi fees tiba changi kayam kuiba matam changani tha amagira tha ahumgira haibado ko adugumpa madudi akoina chawrakna hana khangdokpa ma mathau tai gyan ama leibet mathau tai ko adu common sense kitang hapa kanda ming chalagadi fees changani course ki duration changani natra procedure ama eligible criteria changani adu singdo khara hape. If you have a printed brochure or type information in this regard, kindly forward it to me to the address given above. Hai ko mana. Mathangda kay hai ino akoy kay gumba akoy gi information brochure na tragana akoy gi che gumba mogi phongba ko mogi notice gumba leiragadi hanana announcement gumba adugumba leiragandadi aingondha amata khanghanbirau na mana haibado adumu information se happe ko aduga thanking you hana khoi formal letter iba matamdadi thanking you se important oi nangna kenoma hangatcharibadina wa ma hangibanina ko adugi information do provide pi tawbirakpa aigi letter sibu receive tawbibagi damakta thanking you hairni natra aduga loisanbada iroi loibada kari hapkani hai writer sigi signature ko aduna yours faithfully hairakanda kanagi ming hape ngasai question de yauba tom thin haibado magi maming se hape ko yours si iba matamda apostrophe amata yaude ko yours masi munna yengadabani so this is official letter ne ko huzik official letter gi example ama yengre an official letter siga magi manabada koi tammi se formal letter ni dana ko format se chap manaraga official letter se danga sai business letter haina pangi bado ko adu business letter se na karino habado mukatang detail oina ai haige business letter se na koina as the name suggests it is a letter written about doing business haidi business haidi pochai leithok leise na try if I need something if I want something or there is a requirement in the office or for my personal use when I have to put an order aina darkar ama leibegi damakta aina PBU leijage kaya pige na hangba matamdo an inquiry ko adugumbadu ni khoina business letter hairise ko when you start writing a business letter format we have to follow the same format okay but one thing that we need to keep in mind is that it has to be in a very short and precise manner yam lengthy obe yade magi body of the letter na ngasa yawidana adugi body of the letter se short and precise tenna chabi this is what I want haibudoko from your company I want to buy beating around the bush to adu yadaba from you I want to buy this adagi number how much you want ko adagi di payment natra sigumba mayam se clearly mentioned tawgadaba adagi items to id items to be delivered nangna pami ba items natra aduga items se payment hanopi doira natraga cash on delivery gi dumaina receive torba matungda the payment method to adu karino haibase sisu you need to mention clearly when we write a business letter and to understand more let us look at the example of a business letter example da write a letter to the manager of Sudhita Books Center, Kolkata, ordering some books. Sign yourself as Inaw Singh of Kiamgai Mamanglaikai. Karino ko na order to do se lari karani ko Canada Sudhita Book Center se dagini logdoi se ko aduna Sudhita Book Center gi manager se da ibatare ira iba mi suna kanano Inaw ni kadai digi Kiamgai Mamanglaikai digi let us now start writing the letter sender's address hana idoini Inaw gi address karino Mamanglaikai Kiamgai si address hana pire ko akoi muk date irani 29 May 2020 ire adagi mathang chatharapada ngasai receiver's address to sidadi book center si tare dana ko aduna the manager Sudhita Bookstore Kolkata ibirani akoi gi mathang format to follow tore receiver's address mathang da akoi kai ini hai ki subject idweni nata sidana karino subject se order for books ni like order tawdori bane ba ko adu subject lere greetings natraga salutation irasi koi manager gumba iba matamdadi salutation sada dear sir haina sumaina hapa yai ko body of the letter yengasi short and precise ni ko tenna to the point ni idoise I shall be grateful if you will send me one copy each of the following books by VBP as early as possible hai ko aini yam nungai jani kai to budano nungai jo se makha the piriba lyric sing se si amamam tang engon the thabir agadi I yam nungai jagani hare ko we are yet to mention about the payment right so we will make that please send them to the above address and your bill will be paid on receipt hai ko aduna ka sai gi item sing se ainu pijari ba address da hapira o aduduga bill asai gi paisa duni dana payment to aduduna on receipt aina haidi ba item sing se ainu receipt torba matung da I'll make the payment and hai body of the letter already iroi lobeda kari hap ka da bani ba khoi se signature do natra ana signature da yours faithfully Inaw Singh hana ire ko so this is the example of a business letter Huzi akhoi yengkibadu business letter gi example ni ko simu practice study akhoi mu clear oraktoi ni aduda formal letter koi na tambi basing side gi formal letter ni formal letter se da koi official letter gi example ure business letter gi example ure atopale horiba singdudi kari kari no letter to the editor ga job application ga sisu type of formal letter ni dana ko aduna lem horiba of letter to the editor amadi job application ani sigi example se mu akhoi mathang yengasi. We will now go to the second example, letter to the editor. Second example sina letter to the editor ni sigi question nama mu yengsi. The question is, you want to write a letter to the editor of the newspaper, The Daily Manipur, asking the people who visit Zuko Valley not to leave litter in Zuko Valley. Sign yourself as Vincent M. from Senapati. Chisana akhoi editor, newspaper amagi editor do mangon de ibagi format ni ko. Kanana idoi no Vincent Senapati degi Vincent sine idorimni. Kanada, the Daily Manipur haba newspaper se sigi editor se de idoiba. Kari maram gi idoiba. People who visit Zuko Valley not to leave litter hai se ko amot po hundok piram ganu Zuko Valley koi balakpa singna amot po hundok piram ganu hai bigi chithi ni idori bese ko so formal letter ni na chap mana ba format to follow tawdoi ni sida ahan bada Vincent ki address to irani mana sender oirabani na ko na Senapati ge an example amo oina street ama hekta hapchale 123 street Senapati sigi makada date irani 29 May 2020. Aduga mathangdana receiver's address. Kanaduno idoi se the editor, the Daily Manipur, Imphal. Sida idoi ba. Subject among hapkani. Subject kaina litter in Zuko Valley. Hai ko Zuko Valley da amot po hundok pa do. Adugi maram dani hai re. Natra. Adu subject sigi mathangda greetings natroga salutation do amuk lai re ko. Dear Sir, hare, through your esteemed column, koina letter to the editor iba matam dadi magi newspaper se masibu hana panbigadabani esteemed column habidi ko yamna maming lairaba yamna power ba nangi newspaper sida nangi column ngasai gi letter to the editor haina yauriba column do adu sida aina I would like to draw ko ai apamba do phongdo I haraga idoini I would like to draw the attention of the people who visit Zuko Valley and leave litter. Amot po hundomba mi singdo adugi maram da ai kita ige makoy na khabar se paba matam da udori bani akoy gi letter se ko aduna makoy gi attention makoy da ibadi editor se da iba. Editor se na hayeng letter se khabar da hapa akanda newspaper da yaur akanda the people who visit Zuko are the one who's going to read it. Natra aduna makoy the attention do makoy gi pugning som da chingsili ai gi letter rom se da hare ko it is a crime against mother nature to litter and be careless poche amot po hundo omba se phataba thabak ni haina ire ko a place like Zuko Valley is fit for angels to repose yamna phajaba mapham se molhan biganu haina iba let us not spoil its beauty without carelessness we can preserve the valley and its beauty by being a little more conscious of our responsibility. Aduna akoy na kay kito batay habado adu so hapetang palame molhan biganu ko molhan bapati hare na tra aduna akoy na huzi preserve taw gadabani akoy responsible oy gadabani han hapet ama pale ko I feel and believe that every person who visits Zuko Valley will remember that the place is ours to celebrate and not to destroy. Aduga aloy salapada Zuko Valley se yam phajaba mapham ni koina celebrate tawgadabani koina chawthok jagadabni haraw gadabani destroy tawba yade manghan ba yade habado ko letter to the editor ibadadi aigi pukning gi apambado kasai gi Zuko Valley se mot pa pamdabani na mayam seda awareness ama pibado adumaina aigi apambado phongdo inem ko ana loisalakpada kari mo hapkani asai gi signature do kanana ibe letter no Vincent na so aroi bada yours faithfully Vincent M hana question the piramba maming do lere ko so this is an example of letter to the editor. Third example is now formal letter the job application hai. Koi thabak ama tiba matamda post vacancy han advertisement hapak pado aduda ibagi letter mawong ni ko. The question is you are Venkat Sharma of Singjamai. Write an application to the principal, Manipur Music Institute, Palace Compound, in response to an advertisement for the post of a music teacher in that institute. Ko Singjamai da leiba Venkat Sarma sina Manipur Music Institute ki principal da idoini application se music teacher oige haina ko. So now let us see how to write this letter. Sender's address da example wina pire ABD Laikai Singjamai thare. Makada date irani 29 May 2020 ire. Receiver's address amuk irani the principal, Manipur Music Institute, Palace Compound. Mathang makha chatharaga ibasi yengo ko muna. Receiver's address ki mathang da subject ire. Subject karino application for the post of music teacher. Subject ki mathang da Hanagum, greetings, salutation da, sir ire, and now the body of the letter. Post amagi apply to rapacity advertisement ama ururakanda apply to banina ko aina advertisement do ure ubadegi apply to re ini haibasi hainai. So let us see how to write this letter. In response to your advertisement in the Pokna Farm dated 20th May 2020, I wish to be considered for the post of music teacher. Mana hai ko mana piri ni Pokna Farm khabar da advertisement se ubadegi apply to re ini in hare. I have the desired qualifications and experience for the said post. I attach herewith copies of my certificates and my biodata. Hai mana ko thaba ama apply to rapanina thabak se toba yabra yadabra qualification duga tama iba mahigi thak to aduga chanarabra haibasima darkar oibanina aduma so happe desired qualifications ana aduga attach herewith biodata hai ko biodata haibadi aigi details to ko I see what is my name, natra how old I am, and what qualifications I have. Ko I karamba chahida kari exam clear to rakhi, and to be this music teacher, do I have the necessary qualification? Haibasing do I give biodata sada. Resume ga haibadu ko adumasu attach to hai. Sana job application gi mawong ni. Loisalapada kari hai. Tabak se tauragadi mga promise sama thazaba mapidoy ni ko aduma haipitang panbiro. Let us see. If given a chance, I promise to discharge my duties honestly and devotedly. Ko ay chance sama ay bu candidate mo ina ohen biragadi ay tabak phazana tawgani haba promise ma pire. Thanking you happy ko aduga iroy lebeda mo kari signature. Yours faithfully Venkat Sharma haina sila laire. Mananga say letter sada my biodata attached share ay gi biodata su letter siga loina na happy harbanina. Job application has a second part habitare ko the biodata how to write the resume. So the ihan han bada kai irani name Venkat Sharma, father's name Babu Sharma, address mangasai address to karipigi ABD Laikai Singjamai Imphal, date of birth nasai oza oi doribinina hapit charakpa ma yengaga ko an example oina 19 March 1986 pire. Educational qualification kai tama e habadu ko akoy usually class 10 board exam se sidagi sum count to bahawi ko important web exam sing do aduna high school living certificate exam board of secondary education Manipur na loba 2002 sumaina irani mathang sina class 12 kemu idoni ko higher secondary school living certificate exam Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur na loba ni 2004 mathang sina BA Music. Asai music ki teacher ni na mana graduation da tama ise music ni haraga 2007 pire. Aduga atopa mana mai khoi gi higher courses mayama malay. For example oina diploma hape ko diploma postgraduate in music har 2009 dama pass tore har ko. Marital status merit ore unmarried hapas yai lohong driba oirega na ko. Languages known. Nasai apply to iba Venkat Sharma se mana haiba languages ni Manipuri, English, Hindi. Experiences. Oza oibala abanina mahana oza oirakpra angang sing da takpi tambirakpra haibadu ko adu natragasu field of music what other work has he done has he completed haibadu experiences is the happy yare experiences aham badakari hape taught instrumental music to the students in a primary school. Masimalere ko. Mathangsna kai hai began instrumental band program as extracurricular music activity hareko aduga magi experiences ni man hapise sidegi hena hapaga su yai ko adu magi thabak tugi matung ina chana bado khallaga haptoiba. So this is the biodata and the job application didi kai dogani. We have to include this application along with this biodata and it will be a complete job application. So my dear students, we have just learned how to write a formal letter. 3 examples speak record. So you can now practice by yourself so that you know more on how to write a letter. Yam practice tawrakandadi yam haigalak tawribni ko. And akoina piriba example se masi katang sum follow tawba nataba o format to chumagadi manung sa wahay sigumba hapayay khalakanda ko. In your own English, in your own language, nang letter writing se format se follow tawrakanda sum practice tawba. Ko yam practice tawga writing se di kaino yam practice tawringai yam improve oiraktoini. Right? So you practice more, go through this class to know the format, to know the pattern, to know the style, right? And then you will know how to write a proper formal letter. So we have just learned how to write a formal letter. Formal letter karam na ini habase ekoi example ahum galoina na tamme ko. An example sing se yengo format to follow toro and then you practice. You practice by yourself. Isana yam practice toro ba ko. Practice toro kanda writing say improve or only going through the class and just keeping quiet will not help. Go through the class. Follow the format. Format to madi soibe yadre. Natra format to di soibe yadre banina. You follow the format. After going through the format, you look at the example and after that, you try writing it by yourself. Isana I na basu hot na siko. Ana isana I ragadi, isana he no hot na ragadi. My letter will improve. My English will improve. My writing skills will improve very much. So that is how to write a formal letter.